Yo, what's up guys, it's Suraj from Tech Devoted, and today I along with my friend Frank are bringing to you 10 productivity apps to start 2017 with. If you like Frank's part of the video, definitely check him out, links in the description. Also, starting this episode, I'm going to be featuring a cool wallpaper in every video. The wall for today is Black Panther by Justin Moller. If you like it, links in the description. But without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So my first pick is quote motivational wallpapers. Yes, I said wallpapers. A lot of people overlook the kind of impact a motivational wallpaper can have, but consider this. Every time you turn on your phone, you see a super inspiring quote with a beautiful background. I don't know about you, but that really gives me the boost to get back and work on whatever I'm doing. There are a lot of motivational wallpaper apps, but links to this, as well as all the apps I talk about, will be in the description below. So if you like it, go get it.
So, the second app on this list is Newton. Newton Mail, formerly known as Cloud Magic, is a fantastic email client for not only your Android phone, but also your iPhone, iPad, and Mac as well. Anyway, Newton has some really handy features on board, such as read receipts, remind if not replied, and also a very useful send later feature that allows you to schedule emails. These are just some of the more prominent features of Newton, but if you want to check the rest out, definitely give Newton a download.
Next up is Since. This is a simple app that allows you to track how long you've been doing a particular activity. If you want to quit something like say smoking or playing video games, create a Since for it and see how long you can go without doing that activity. It really is nice to come back and track your progress every now and then.
Coming in fourth on the rundown is Forest. I know most of us are addicted to our phones and can't help but constantly check it while we should be focusing on being productive. That's where Forest comes in. After choosing the length of time you want to be productive for, you hit the plant button and a virtual seed will start growing into a tree. Each time you leave the app within the allotted time period, your tree will die and you'll have to replant the seed. Each time you successfully stay productive, you add another tree until your forest is filled with trees. Along the way, you can even earn different rewards and new tree species. If you struggle with being productive, then you should definitely give Forest a go.
Moving on, we have got Alarmy. This might just be the best alarm app on the planet. What's cool about it is it gives you various ways to shut an alarm, like solving a math problem, taking a picture, shaking your phone, and so on. If you're like me and have a hard time waking up with the help of an alarm, this is a must download. The app has saved my life countless times.
Next up, we have Scanbot. As the name sort of hints toward, Scanbot is a mobile scanner app for any form of document you may have. Just by holding your device over the document, Scanbot detects it and crops it automatically. After that, the file can be renamed and then shared as either a PDF or JPEG. I personally use Scanbot to upload PDFs to Google Drive so I can access that file on any device I choose. However, you can upload to various different apps such as Box, Dropbox, Evernote, Google Keep, and many more. Definitely give Scanbot a try.
Next on the list is URL shortener, and the name pretty much says what it is. It shortens URLs, and this can be especially useful when you need to post a really long link on places like Twitter where the character limit is capped to just 140 characters.
Next is BetterNet VPN proxy. You may be wondering why a VPN app is included in this list, but there are actually many benefits of using a VPN on a public network. A VPN in a school environment allows you to bypass any blocked sites. However, if that is your intent with BetterNet, I would be careful to stay out of trouble. Besides from unblocking sites, a VPN also allows you to be anonymous and keep your information away from prying eyes.
Okay, so my last pick is Save My Time. It's relatively new to the Play Store, but it is super duper useful. At its core, it's a time tracker that lets you find out how much time you've put into productive activities and how much time has been wasted in not so productive activities like commuting. What's cool about this app is you can make it show up on your lock screen on its own and ask you at the end of every X minutes what you've been doing. Then finally at the end of the day you can go into the app and see how much time has been invested in different kind of activities.
Closing out this list is Flip Browser. As I'm sure you concurred from the name, Flip Browser is a web client, but it does more than your everyday Chrome app. Flip Browser will load and keep your open links from other apps. You can keep your current app open while the site is loaded in the background, and just tapping on the bubble will take you to the previously loaded app. There isn't much else to Flip Browser. It's a great web client worth checking out.
But that wraps it up for this video. If you liked what you saw, consider liking and subscribing. It's been Suraj. Thanks so much for watching. Take it easy and stay devoted.